Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers, and today we're continuing to build on the Ram. The rest of the parts of the front end came in, so it's time to finalize it and get this front end complete. Let's do it. Alright guys, since I got my rest of the pieces from the dealer, the ones that I need, now I can finalize my front bumper. Remember those gaps were all messed up, but now it should look great. Also I got some more plastic pieces, some little trim moldings that just had a couple scuffs on them, so went ahead and reordered them. Some hardware to bolt it down. All right, let's get that finalized. So the centerpiece right here, this grill isn't horrible, but it's definitely got some scuffs on it, and this side, plastic cracked. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. A brand new one from the dealer. So nice, quick, easy, very friendly to work with. Best parts department I've ever dealt with, honestly. They did a good job. It's nice. Give me a diagram, reasonable pricing, fantastic. I'm gonna make it look right. It's been 2019, like no miles on it. Let's get it restored. Let's do it. There we go. Finally got my front bumper how I want it. Looks great. Locked down, secure. Keep going. Next thing I'm gonna do is work on this hood. Put my vents in, the little top plastic piece behind it as well. All my little moldings and stuff. Let's do it. Alright guys, so this front end came together and it looks fantastic. I honestly really love the grill, how it turned out. Let us know what you guys think. Was it a good idea to paint it, not to paint it? I mean, I see them all the time and they're blacked out, but I think this looks really good because it stands out. Goes around the ram ramble. But yeah, it looks great.
What about the parts, Mike? Are you glad we switched all the little parts, all the little damaged
fantastic.
parts?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, 10 bucks there, 5 bucks, but this is a 2019, 400 miles on it. Totally worth it. I mean, and this thing looks mint now. Looks great. No scratches, brand new. I mean, the dealer really hooked us up. That's great. The dealership, that's fantastic. Really happy about that. The gaps look really nice. Everything lined up nicely. It wasn't really too big of a deal. Yeah, so I'm really happy how it turned out. Now that the front end's done, I'm gonna start working on the rear. Gotta go in the back, get the corners painted, everything like that. Not too much work, but it definitely takes some time. For sure, you want to make it right. But that's all the time I have for today. Or no?
No, now we gotta talk about subscribing.
Okay. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell, because if you don't turn on the notification bell, you won't know if any videos are being posted, all our new stuff, so you won't follow the build. So make sure that's on.
Because we're working on the Rebel right now, we're working on the semi-truck,
yeah,
and we got the Cobra.
And the Cobra. So we got like 3 main builds going on at the same time, so there's a lot. We're going back and forth. If we're waiting for some parts, we jump on the other build, but we're going at it, getting it done. So this thing still definitely needs to get a wash. It's a little dirty, as you can tell, but once we wash it up, the paint's gonna match perfect, no doubt about it. I just found out that my seat belts that I sent out can't get rebuilt. I mean, it's got like basically 3 connections on there. It's this new system. I don't even know. That's pretty crazy. So we'll have to start looking around for some seat belts, see what's out there. But yeah, other than that, moving forward for sure. Alright guys, it's getting late, but we got it taped up. Finished sanding it down. I don't know if we're gonna paint it tonight, but it's getting there. Got that two-tone going on. Good. Alright guys, so we got the bed inside on our little custom homemade dolly thing, but honestly it's great. It's fantastic. You put it on there, wheel it around to the paint booth, whatever we gotta do. It's really nice. There's definitely a lot of good things in this bed that we're still gonna use. Taillights are fine, our little emblems, backup camera, we got a new tailgate, so we're gonna have to transfer all that over to it.
Yeah, we were having a really hard time trying to find a used bed. And yeah, apparently they're really different from a regular Ram.
Wider or something, I guess the
flares or
flares
something.
or something like that. Which
So
is, it's not the best thing because it's not too much of a difference, but it's enough to be different. So we have to fix the one we have. But like I said, salvage what we can, all the plastic pieces, whatever's good, whatever's not damaged. But on this side, we're gonna replace the entire skin. Or did that come in yet? We have the box.
no, we're still waiting from the dealer.
Okay, that's fine. Once that comes in, we'll get this off. But we do have the floor.
As you guys can see, there's a big
Hump in it, right down the middle.
So instead of like, fixing it and then bondoing it, because somebody's gonna use this truck and they're gonna throw something in there and then bondo cracking off.
Yeah, you can't have that in a bed, not a truck bed.
Yeah, so we got the new floor did come in. It's right here. So that shouldn't be too bad to do. But unfortunately, guys, we already did a lot of work.
Yeah, that's all the time I have for today. I mean, I'm tired. It's been a long day. That's enough. Friday, weekend mode. Let's do it. But let's go inside. We'll find a giveaway winner. Wrap it up. Alright guys, got a lot of work done on the Rebel. That front end looking great. I'm honestly really happy how it turned out. It's great motivation to keep going, get that back part finished up. But let's go ahead and find our winner. 3, 2, 1. Alright, Mungo Motors 352. Be a rebel, do it your way. Yeah, I mean, you gotta get it done sometimes. You gotta do what you gotta do, for sure. We got it done. Alright guys, but make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video, and stay tuned until next time.